सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 750-चतुश्शततमी, पृष्ठाङ्कः 744-300तमी। तत्र शतसंख्या भिन्ना अस्ति। पृष्ठसंख्या 744-300तमी, कक्षा संख्या 750-1000 तत्र भिन्ना अस्ति। चतुश्शततमी सोमवासरे सेप्टेम्बर् मासस्य षड्विंशतिदिनाङ्के श्रीनिवास। अत्र मन्ये अन्तिमः श्लोकः अस्मिन् पुस्तके, अन्यः श्लोकः अन्तिमः 61 गीतायाः, परन्तु अस्माकं पुस्तक अनुसारं 670तमः श्लोकः पठितम्। ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया। श्लोक अत्यंतं सरल दृश्यते। पदच्छेदं करोमि। ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे हे अर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यंत्र आरूढ़ानि मायया। पदपरिचयं। पदम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे अर्जुन तिष्ठति कर्तरि भ्रामयन् प्रकारान्त सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया। माया शब्दः मायया कन्ययावत्। आकांक्षां तावत् पश्यामः। पद्ये कः संबोधितः कः संबोधितः, हू इज अड्रेस्ड इन द पोएम। इन द पोएम, इन दिस पोएम, अस्मिन् गीता श्लोके अर्जुनः संबोधितः अस्ति। इज तिष्ठति इति धातुः अस्ति। तिष्ठति स्टेज, स्था, तिष्ठति, तिष्ठतः, तिष्ठन्ति, जानन्ति। अर्जुन कः तिष्ठति, हे अर्जुन, हू स्टेज और हू स्टैंड्स। ओ अर्जुन, लॉर्ड स्टेज, ईश्वरः तिष्ठति। कुत्र तिष्ठति, वेयर डज ही स्टे। हृद्देशे तिष्ठति। लॉर्ड स्टेज इन द हार्ट, इन द प्लेस ऑफ हार्ट। हृदय देशे तिष्ठति। केषां हृद्देशे तिष्ठति, इन हूज हार्ट डज ही स्टे। सर्वभूतानां, न केवलं मानवानाम्, अत्र सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे, हृदय देशे तिष्ठति। ही स्टेज इन द हार्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द लिविंग बीइंग्स, इन द हार्ट ऑफ ऑल द लिविंग बीइंग्स। ईश्वर किं कुर्वन् सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशे तिष्ठति। How does the Lord, doing what does the Lord stay in the heart of all the living beings? Brahmayan, causing to revolve, causing to move, causing to revolve. Brahmayan sarvabhutanam hruddeshe, while causing all the living beings situated in the heart, in the place of heart. Sarvabhutanam hruddeshe tishtati. Katham tishtati? Brahmayan tishtati. Brahmanam kurvan. Bhutani भ्रामयति ईश्वरः। कुत्र स्थित्वा हृदये स्थित्वा हृद्देशे स्थित्वा इति कया भ्रामयन् केन प्रकारेण तद् भ्रामणं वा भवति how by what does he cause to revolve or whirl
maya bhramaya
he while causing to move the living beings through his maya ishwarasya shaktihi maya न सती न असति न सती न असति अनिर्वाच्या इति श्रुति ईश्वरस्य एव शक्तिः माया तया मायया भ्रामयन् तिष्ठति he stays in the heart of the living beings by causing all the living beings to move, to whirl around. Mayaya kani bhramayan tishtati, moving what does he stay with his maya?
maya sarva bhutani bhramayan tishtati.
Through his maya sarva bhutani, all the living beings, while causing to move all the living beings, he stays in the heart of them. Kidrushani sarva bhutani bhramayan. What type of living beings does he cause to move? Yantra arudhani sarva bhutani bhramayan. So like mounted on a yantra machine, like a driver, car driver seated in his place and moving the car, or a pilot moving, flying the aircraft, and for that matter any driver who is situated in his position. So Lord being situated in the heart of all the living beings, sarvesham bhutanam tatra hruddeshe stitva tani sarvani api bhutani brahmayan vartate maya brahmayan brahmayan vartate iti anvayartham. Srinivas.
He Arjuna, Ishvaraha yantrarudhani sarvabhutani maya brahmayan sarvabhutanam hruddeshe tishtati.
O Arjuna, Ishvaraha, the Lord, yantrarudhani sarva bhutani, all the living beings as though mounted on a machine. All the living beings, maya, through his maya, brahmayan, causing to will or move around, sarva bhutanam hruddeshe, he stays in the heart of all the living beings while causing to move around as though mounted on a machine. Yantrarudhani va iti. Padartham. Srinivas. Arjuna, Ishvaraha Narayanaha iti api yantrarudhani adhisthitani iva. Yantrani adhisthitani arudhani iva. Adhisthitani nama arudhani iva. Iva is understood here. Sarva bhutani sarve praninaha. Sarva praninaha may be good. Praninaha here is in praninaha. It should be dvitiya actually. Sarva bhutani. Sarva bhutani dvitiya. Therefore this should also be dvitiya, not sarve praninaha. Sarva praninaha. Sarvan praninaha. If it is vyastapada, separate word, sarvan praninaha. Or if you combine it, sarva praninaha, not sarve praninaha. So just make a, you can combine this, sarva praninaha, not sarve. Because it is, when you say sarve praninaha, it becomes prathama. Karmani, dvitiya should be there. What is karma here is sarva bhutani. Maya, maya dvara. Swashaktiya, Ishvara shaktiya. Brahmayan, Brahmayan chalayan, itastatah chalayan. Itastatah chalayan, moving this way, that way. Brahmayan means moving, causing to will this way, that way. Itastatah chalayan. Sarva bhutanam sampraninaam hruddeshe hridaya pradeshe. Hruddeshe nama hridaya pradeshe. Tishtati vasati vardate vidyate iti. Evam Ishvarasya उपस्थितिः सर्वेषां तत्र सर्वेषां भूतानां प्राणिनां हृदयदेशः अस्ति इति भावार्थं पठतु।
हे अर्जुन, परमात्मा सर्वेषाम् अपि प्राणिनां हृदये वसति, तथा स्वमायया शरीरमयं यन्त्रम् आरूढान् सर्वान् अपि प्राणिनः भ्रामयति।
O Arjuna, hey Arjuna, Paramatma, the Supreme Soul, Sarveshamapi, of all the Praninam, Hridaye, in the heart of all the living beings, Vasati, lives, Tata, and similarly, and also Swamaya, with his own delusion, Shariramayam Yantram, Shariramayam Yantram. This Sharira is considered as Yantra here. You have studied that Kathopanishad, na? इंद्रियाणि हयान्याहुः विषयान्तेषु गोचरान् आत्मानं रथिनं विद्धि शरीरं रथमेव च। आत्मानं रथिनं विद्धि शरीरं रथमेव च। इंद्रियाणि हयान्याहुः विषयान्तेषु गोचरान् आत्मेन्द्रिय etc. The sloka is there. So this shariram tu ratham viddhi. This sharira is compared with ratha, chariot, and the driver is intelligence. The passenger is the Atma, the real spirit. That is the ultimate description in the Upanishad. So, this is a vehicle. If you bang somewhere, take this vehicle and bang yourself, then it will collapse. So, that is it. That is why it is compared with here Yantra Arudhani. Where are we? Vasati Swamaya Shariramayam Yantram Arudhan Sarvanapi Praninaha. So all the living beings which are mounted like on a machine, Brahmayati, causes them to move with his Maya. I think in English there is one mistake, Srinivas, you can see that. All beings, Maya causes, by his Maya causes, second line, all beings to resolve. No, it is not resolve, it is revolve. So make a correction here, revolve, as though should be in brackets. Okay, as though mounted on a machine. So this resolve correction, make it as revolve. I have some note here from commentaries. Ishvaraha, Ishana Shilaha. Ishvaraha, Kaha Ishvaraha, Ishana Shilaha, the commanding personality. Antaryami, one who is the omnipresent. Prithiviyadinam asmakam cha sarvabhutanam. Prithiviyadinam asmakam cha sarvabhutanam. Not only we the living beings, but Prithvi Adi and other things, all the systems. Hruddeshe buddhi. Hruddeshe nama buddhi guhayam. Buddhi guhayam. Sarva prani pravartakaha tishtati. Sarva prani pravartakas tishtati. Is there situated. Hruddesha means buddhi guhayam. He stays in the intelligence of all the living beings and he makes them move. Sarva prani pravartakaha tishtati. Brahmayan urdhva adho bhageshu sancharayan chalayan iti. And Madhusudana says, nicely Srinivas, Daru nirmita purushadini atyanta paratantrani yatha mayavi brahmayati tata ishvaraha swasya maya sarvani bhutani hriddeshi stitva brahmayati iti. Katam daru kasta nirmita purushadini, like a puppet show. All the puppet, puppet show, very popular in India. There is a sutradhari who plays with them, makes them move. Like that, Daru, Kasta Nirmita Purushadini, Atyanta Paratantrani. They are totally dependent on somebody. So we also call Ishvara Sutradhari, the ultimate stage manager he is. So, Nidarsanam Srinivas. Hruddeshe Arjuna Sandhi.
Hruddeshe plus Arjuna,
यंत्रारूढ़ानि यंत्र आरूढ़ानि दीर्घ समास चतुष्टयं सर्वभूतानां
सर्वाणि च तानि भूतानि कर्मधारय समासः
तेषां
सर्वभूतानि
हृद्देशे
हृदः देशः हृद्देशः षष्टिगतिः तस्मिन् हृद्देशे
हृद इति हृदौ हृदः हृत् हृदौ हृदः इति दकारान्त शब्दः अयम् हृदः इति षष्ठी एकवचने पंचमी एकवचने अपि हृदः भवति सप्तम्यां हृदि हृदि हृदः हृदि इति भवति हृदः नाम हृदयस्य देशः हृद्देशः षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः कः अत्र so this second samasa Srinivas hruddesha is done next one on page 349 sarva bhutani सर्वाणि च तानि भूतानि पुनः कर्मधारय समास just like the previous one sarva bhutanam sarvesham sarvani cha tani bhutani tesham yantraarudhani yantre eva arudhani like mounted on a seated on a machine. Okay, एवं समासः चत्वारः समाप्ताः कृदन्तत्रयं श्रीनिवास भूतानि भूत तस्य च वर्तमाने you know this bhuta is both I have told you several times bhuta means past bhuta also means vartamana otherwise this bhutani is not past tense not the dead beings here living beings bhavati iti bhutam so bhramayan niche yesterday last class you asked what is niche you are forgetting that is causal preranarthe niche nijanta shatru you know shatru pratyayanta gachan gacchantau gacchanta so bhramayan is bhrama dhatu niche पुनः शत्रु प्रत्यय तो भ्रामयत् प्रातिपदिका पुल्लिंगे भ्रामयन् इति भवति आरूढ़ानि उपसर्ग रुह इति धातु दिस रुह धातु हकारस्य ढत्वम् आगच्छति तान्ते सो यू टेक एनी हकारान्त धातु इन तान्त इट बिकम्स ड द सूत्र इज देयर होडः होडः or something is there in Paninian system. Like muha becomes muda. Muha. Muha dhatu Srinivas. Muhyati. In tanta mudha it becomes. That is tanta. Like aruda. So abhyasaha punaha samikaranam. Correction. Pancha shasti tavaha. Not 66. Sloka 76 as per the book. Now prathama amshaha. Pratipadikam lingam vibhaktihi vachanam. Chatvari tatra santi. करणीयानि ईश्वरः उदाहरणार्थम ईश्वरः इति शब्दस्य प्रातिपदिकम् ईश्वरः अस्ति लिंगम् अस्ति पुल्लिंगं विभक्ति अस्ति प्रथमा वचनम् अस्ति एकवचनम् एवं सर्वभूतानां किं प्रातिपदिकं किं श्रीनिवास सर्वभूतानां सर्वभूत लिंगं किं नपुंसकं नपुंसकलिंगं षष्ठी बहुवचन. So second one sarvabhutanam is sarvabhuta is the pratipadika the base form, lingam is napumsakalinga, third is vibhakti is षष्ठी 6 you can say षष्ठी and vachana is bahuvachana. Hruddeshe the pratipadika is hruddesha desha it is pullinga saptami ekavachana. Arjuna pratipadika Arjuna should be given here. No, Visarga is not printed. Arjuna it is. Pratipadika is Arjuna. Purlinga prathama ekavachana. Maya is the pratipadika. Maya strilinga. प्रथम तृतीया एकवचनं सिंगुलर तृतीया एकवचनं यन्त्रारूढानि यन्त्रारूढ इति प्रातिपदिकं नपुंसकलिंगं द्वितीया विभक्तिः बहुवचनं भ्रामयन् भ्रामयत् इति प्रातिपदिकं नौ यू गेट दैट प्रातिपदिकं भ्रामयत् पुल्लिंग प्रथम एकवचनं क्रियारूपं पूरयेत नौ लर्न दिस very simple तिष्ठति you are going to the first book तिष्ठसि तिष्ठतः तिष्ठथ तिष्ठामि तिष्ठावः तिष्ठामः स्थास्यति this is a lit future भविष्यति काले स्थास्यति स्थास्यतः स्थास्यन्ति now लटः यानि अन्तरूपाणि भवन्ति प्रत्ययः अन्तरूपाणि तान्येव लृटि अपि भवन्ति whatever terminations you find and read in the present tense you find the same in future tense also only in middle portion changes here you can see tishtati become sthasyati of course you take the radical vowel to future tense not the sthatishta the modified one so sthasyati sthasyatah sthasyanti si tahata sthasyasi sthasyatah sthasyatha sthasyami sthasyavah sthasyamah we have that Ramayana prediction I think we studied when we did Ramayana Sangraha यावत् स्थास्यन्ति गिरयः सरितस्य महीतले यावत् स्थास्यन्ति यावत् स्थास्यन्ति गिरयः सरितस्य महीतले तावत् रामायण कथा लोकेषु प्रचलिष्यति so स्थास्यन्ति is there as long as the rivers and mountains shall stand on the face of the earth so this is practice purpose a kind of reminder this amsha तृतीयांशः विग्रहवाक्यं सर्वभूतानि सर्वाणि च तानि भूतानि सर्वाणि च भूतानि तानि भूतानि सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि यन्त्रम् आरूढानि हृद्देशे हृदः देशे हृद्देशे हृदः देशे हृद्देशे नाभिदेशः नाभि शब्द is स्त्रीलिंग and also pullinga it is ubailinga so nabhehe deshe nabhehe kavehe like if you take pullinga nabhehe even strilinga also mate you take the same nabhyah another form would be nabhyah nabhehe deshe nabhi deshe kanta deshe akaranta shabda kanta kantasya deshe kanta deshe in the place of neck so shashti tatpurusha kantasya desha kanta is pullinga nabhi is pullinga as well as strilinga desha shabda is pullinga so just rapidly do this vigravakya srinivas sarva bhutani sarvani cha yantrarudhani yantram arudhani hruddeshe hrudah deshe nabhehe deshe nabhi deshe kantasya deshe kanta deshe शब्द रूपम लेखनम यथा निर्देश ओके अगेन यू हैव टू डू सम डेरिवेशन हियर भ्रम भ्रमन दिस इज शत्रु प्रत्ययांत इन निजंत इज वाज निचि प्रेरणार्थे causal forms he wants like भ्रामयन् भ्रामयन्तौ भ्रामयन्तः similarly pata becomes patan this is asking in dvitiya okay Patha becomes patan while reading. Patayan, patayantam, patayantau, patayantaha. No, patayantam, patayantau, patayataha. Patayataha. Here, this is pratamanta, bhramayantaha, bhramayataha. So, this we may have to write. Second one is that. Say it again.
Patayantam, patayantau,
तौ पाठयतः इति क्रीड इति धातु क्रीडन् शत्रु प्रत्ययान्ते परन्तु निचि क्रीडयता क्रीडयता क्रीडयद्भ्याम क्रीडयद्भिः क्रीडयता क्रीडयद्भ्याम क्रीडयद्भिः हसन हासयन् चतुर्थी हासयन् हासयन्तं हासयता हासयते हासयते हासयद्भ्याम हासयद्भ्यः इति चतुर्थी दृश्य पश्यन् परंतु निचि दर्शयतः षष्ठी पंचमी ओके दर्शयतः दर्शयद्भ्याम दर्शयद्भ्यः दर्शयद्भ्यः पा पिबन् ड्रिंकिंग पाययतः षष्ठी पाययन् पाययन्तौ पाययन्तः प्रथमा पाययन्तं पाययन्तौ पाययतः द्वितीया पाययता पाययद्भ्यां पाययद्भिः तृतीया पाययते पाययद्भ्यां पाययद्भ्यः चतुर्थी पाययतः पंचमी पाययद्भ्यां पाययद्भ्यः परन्तु षष्ठ्यां पाययतः पाययतोः पाययतोः पाययताम् अच्छा he is giving pratama to saptami practice is good stha become tishtan in saptami sthapayati is given sthapayati sthapayatoho sthapayatsu sthapayatsu etadvayam likhamah enam amsham anantara antima amshah na द्वौ अंशौ इदानीं शेषौ यथोदाहरणं रिक्तस्थानम् ओके आरूढम् आ प्लस रुह प्लस त so here Srinivas that rule is applicable ruh is becoming in tanta rudha so ho that is ahadaha hodaha you know there is a sutra like not oda ho dhaha इति पाणिनि सूत्रमस्ति अह डह इति हकारस्य ढकारः भवति हकारादेशे हकारस्य ढकारादेशो भवति होडः झलिपरतः पदान्ते च सिमिलर्ली यू गेट सह धातु तुमुन्नंत यू गेट सोढुम सह सोढुम वह ओडुम तुमुन्नंत so that is it. Sodam is done. Acha, saha is coming here. Oh, I didn't look into it. Sodam, saha plus tanta. Uha becomes udam. Tantam. Liha becomes leadham. Liha tantam. So this liha to lick, uha to imagine, saha to bear, ruha to grow. All these the verbs are ending with hakara. Hakaranta dhatavaha. Ruha, saha, vaha, liha. Liha. Liha dhatu na dattamatra. Liha, that is what I said. There is one word like ledi, ledu. Asya dhatoho eva. Ledi iti latlakare, ledi. So leadham means licked. Leadham means licked. Udam means carried. Sodam means borne, tolerated. Arudam, mounted. These are the senses. This also we will write. Then antimamshaha prashnanam uttaram. Hriddeshe kaha tishtati? Hriddeshe Ishvaraha tishtati. Hriddeshe ityatra kaha samasaha? Hriddeshe ityatra kaha samasaha? Tatpurusha samasa. हृदः देशे षष्ठी तत्पुरुष तत्पुरुष यंत्रारूढ़ानि कस्य विशेषणम् which words adjective is यंत्रारूढ़ानि सर्वभूतानि yes you are right यंत्रारूढ़ानि इति पदम सर्वभूतानि इति पदस्य विशेषणं सर्वभूतानि इति पदस्य विशेषणं भूतानां What is this? Brahmaktayam. Brahmaktayam. Brahmakta. Brahmikayam should be. No? Bhutanam Brahmikayam. There is some error here. Better it would be Bhutanam Brahmikayam. Brahmikayam Karana Bhuta. Ka Karana Bhuta. What is the cause in moving the living beings? Maya. Ka means Maya. So the Brahmakta, I suppose it is Brahmake or Brahmikayam. Brahmika is there, Brahmikayam. So before that we will write some. What will we write? Four. 65. अभ्यास संख्या
不对啊。Hasan, Hasan, Hasayan, Hasayati, Hasayati. For a person who is laughing, Hasayati, Hasayadhyam. Dush. Okay. Darshaya. What is given? Chaturthi. Darshayatah. Darshayadhyam. Darshayadhyam. Given is given Paya Yataha Shasti Paya. Oh, Shasti, no, that is what Paya Yataha Paya Yato Paya Yato. Stapaya is given. स्थापयतोः
Just read once.
पाठयन्तं पाठयन्तो पाठयन्ति क्रीडयन्ता
क्रीडयता
क्रीडयता
Oh, क्रीडयद्भ्यां क्रीडयद्भ्यां यद्भिः
और हासयते हासयद्भ्यां हासयद्भ्यः 5 दर्शयद्भ्यां दर्शयद्भ्यः 6 पाययतः पाययतोः स्थापयतोः स्थापयत्सु
स्थापयत्सु We'll make sentences later of this. One more thing, fifth also. Only 4 I think.
Yeah, only 4.
I can write on the top, yeah. Or down one. Fifth one, tell me the root. Only one word, huh? What is the word?
Number ka
Ah,
is given already. Ka.
okay, kha.
So the staka is given plus tanta.
So ka is the soda. Ga,
It's already given.
very easy.
Saha is given, vaha is given.
Oh, only tanta everywhere. Ah. No, only these verbs should be spelled out. Soda is given, saha is not given. Dhatu is saha. For this, ga,
Da, vaha
vaha.
is given already.
Vaha. Next, ga,
Ka, lead.
laha, liha dhatu. Liha, lady, iti, liha. One more? Only one? Samaya asti va? Can you see some examples here? Orally? Brahmayan. Already we have come across in the text. Brahmayan sarva bhutani yantrarodhani maya iti tatra udaharanam asti eva. Patan patayan asti na? Pita putram patayan Pita putram patayan swayam patati. The father, while teaching the son, studies himself also. One sentence I have making. Kridan. But tritiya here you have to see. So patayantam acharyam ahvaya. If somebody says patayantam acharyam ahvaya. In Dvitiya, na, patan.
Yes.
So call the teacher who is teaching. Kridan. Kridata balakena saha krida. Tvamapi krida. You also play with the boy who is playing. Kridata balakena tvamapi krida iti ekam udaharanam. Hasan. Hasate balakaya.
Hasayate.
No, hasate. Oh, here, oh, not Shatruhu. Prenarthi. Hasayate. Oh, okay. I should look there. Kridayata. Oh, then sentence making is different. Patayantam. Kridayata means a person who is Kridayata. Kridata. Okay, Kridayata. Kridayata balakena means a boy who is made to play. Tvamapi krida. Kridayata balakena tvamapi krida means a boy who is made to play, you play with him. Hasayate balakaya. For the boy who is made to laugh. Dugdam yacha. Give this milk. Something, chakalayam, something. Hasayate balaya. Then Darsha, this is which case?
Darshayataha.
Darshayataha. Panchami. Darshayataha Balakat, the boy who is being shown, from the boy who is being shown. Mandiram darshayataha balakat kimapi anaya. Bring something from the boy who is being shown the temple. Mandiram darshayataha balakat panchami shashti. Dugdham payayataha balakasya. The boy who is made to drink the milk. Dugdham payayataha balakasya samipe gaccha. Go near to the boy who is made to drink the milk. Iti. Punaha ante sthapayan, sthapayati, sthapayati, kimapi patram dhanyam sthapayati karshake, dhanyam sthapayati karshake etad dhanam yaccha. You can't make a dhanam. Dhanyam sthapayati karshake, karshaka jnanam asti. Karshaka jnanam asti. Something like that. We have to make sentences like that. I should have made some earlier. Okay. So, Srinivas, next. You can read the next sloka. Bhaveන bharata tatprasadat param shantim dhanam prapsyati shashvatam. Padachedam tam eva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata tatprasadat param shantim sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. Iti padacheda padaparichayam shigram tam tad एव अव्ययम शरणम गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत संबोधन तत्प्रसादात् राम आकारांत शांतिम इकारांत द्वितीय स्थानम प्राप्स्यसि उपसर्ग तर्हि लृट् मध्यम पुरुष प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम विशेषण पद. ओके. आकाशम गच्छ इति. गच्छ मीन्स गो एंड गेट. हे भारत, ओ अर्जुन, त्वं कुत्र गच्छ, वेर यू गो. O Arjuna, O descendant of Bharata, you, Tvam, understood, Sharanam Gaccha, you go to the refuge. You go to refuge, Sharanam Gaccha. Like Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dhammam Sharanam Gacchami, that famous. Sharanam Gaccha. Come Sharanam Gaccha. Yes, you are saying go to Sharana. Whom Sharana? Or whose Sharana? Tameva, that very Lord. Tameva, that very Lord. You go to the refuge of that very Lord. Kena prakarena sharanam gaccha. By what method you go to the sharana? Sarva bhavena. Sarva bhave. Sarvatmana. With your very being. With your total being. Sarvatmana, sarva bhavena, sarvatmana. Prapsyasi, you will get. Lapsyase, if you take labhadatu, which is atmanepadi, lapsyase, not si, lapsyase, lapsyete, lapsyadve, lapsye, lapsyavahe, lapsyavahe, uttama purusha. Okay. Prapsyasi, this is second person. Kim prapsyasi, what will you get? You will get peace. Shantim prapti. Kidrushim shantim. What type of peace will you get? The ultimate, supreme peace. Anyat kim prapsyasi. What else will you get? You will get a position, place. Kidrusham sthanam prapsyasi. What type of place, you get placement, I should say placement nowadays. Everybody is worried about placement. Shashvatam, because the sthana, either of a job, any job, or that of the politician is not Shashvata. Dukhalayam Shashvatam, that is the description, wonderful description by Gita. Idam Jagat, ayam lokaha dukkhalayah ashashvat. Idam shariram na, idam jagateva. Dukkhalayam asti ashashvatam asti. Kidrusham sthanam prapsyasi shashvatamoti. Kasmat shantim sthanam cha prapsyasi. From where will you get the supreme peace and also the place? Tat prasadat. Due to his mercy, prasada, due to his grace. Tat prasad, tasya prasadat, kasya paramatmanah prasadat, ishwarasya prasadat, shantim sthanam cha prapsyasi. You will get both these, shanti and also sthana, anvaya consciousness. O descendant of Bharata, Sarva Bhavena, with all your being, Tameva Sharanam Gacha, you go to him only. Tameva Sharanam, you go to that person, supreme person only. You take Sharana with that person. Tat Prasadat, with his grace. Param Shantim, the supreme peace. And Shashvatam Sthanam, the permanent place you will achieve. Yad Gatvana Nivartante Tadhama Paramam Mama. न तद् भासयते सूर्यो न शशांकः न तारकाः यद् गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परं परन्धाम इति परमं स्थानं पदपरिचयं पदार्थः हे भारत तमेव ईश्वरमेव शरणं गच्छ याहि आश्रयं याहि नाम गच्छ श्रेयस्व 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 इति एकं क्रियापदमस्ति तत्प्रसादात् अनुकंपायाः तदनुग्रहात् वेरी सिंपल तत्प्रसादात् तदनुग्रहात् तस्य अनुग्रहात् अनुकंपा शब्दः अस्ति अनुकंपा नाम दया तस्य अनुकंपायाः अनुकंपातः इज बेटर ड्यू टू हिज अनुकंपा टू हिज मर्सी अनुकंपातः तसिल इफ यू यूज इट लुक्स बेटर हियर अदरवाइज तदनुग्रहात् परमाम उत्कृष्टाम the ultimate, the absolute you can say, shantim uparatim shashvatam nityam sanatanam sthanam cha padamapi prapsyasi lapsyase iti kriyapadam भावार्थम हे अर्जुन ओ अर्जुन त्वं संपूर्ण भावनया with whole heartedness full attention tam parama prabhum that ultimate lord eva only ashrayam gachi you take shelter unto and that is what he is going to say at last Sri Krishna that सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि that is what is sounded here same thing एव आश्रयं गच्छ तस्य कृपावशात् तस्य due to his कृपावशात् अनुकंपातः अनुग्रहात् त्वं you अवश्यमेव surely Paramam Prashantim, ultimate peace, Sanatanam Padam, endless, that means the supreme abode, Chalapsyase will get it. I think English is okay, Srinivas. Sarvatmana can be explained, as commentators have said, Srinivas. Sarvatmana means, what is it given here? Sarva Bhavena, is there? Sarvatmana means Manasa Vacha Karmana. च गच्छ शरणं गच्छेति मनसा त्रिकरणशुद्ध्या निदर्शनांशाः सन्धि एक एव तत्प्रसादात् शर्त्वसन्धि तत्प्रसादात् समासः द्वयं सर्वभावेन सर्वश्चेन सर्वः च सर्वश्चासौ भावश्च भावः सर्वभावः कर्मधारयः तेन by that all being तत्प्रसादात् तस्य तत्प्रसादात् तस्मात् तत्प्रसादात् इति समासद्वयं कृदन्तद्वयं पुनः शरणं श्रु इति धातु श्रु शाम्यति इति युट् श्रु शाम्यति to calm down शांति comes from श्रु शांतिं पुनः sorry शरणं श्रु no मया प्रमादः कृतः श्रु हिंसायाम् इति there is a word श्रु हिंसायां falling also. So falling at the Sharana is falling at the feet, na? Through. So yut, that is Shama dhatu, tin, Shamyati. This is Shamya. Then Pratitanta Dvayam, Bharata. It has come several times. Shashvatam, Shashvat, An. Utpatti, Bharata. Bharatasya apatyam Bharata. Bhaha means jnana. Jnane ratah Bharata. There is one who is any Indian who is deeply interested in knowledge. That means that Bharata means Bha. Jnane ratah. Sarvepi Bharatiyaha jnana ratah santi. Pariyayah. This is a synonymous word. Angla Bhashayam. Shashvatam. What are the synonymous words? Nityam, Chirasthayi, Avinashi. Nityam, perpetual, Sanatanam, which has no beginning and ending. Chirasthayi, that which stays for long. Avinashi, that which has no decay. Indicable or indeclinable. Avinashi. So, etani chatvari padanyapi शाश्वत पदस्य पर्याय पदानि सन्ति कारक विषये अवधेयम् अत्र वयं स्थापयामः अभ्यासम् आगामि कक्षायां शुभं भूयात्।